So Donald Trump is in a bit of trouble. And look, I've posted a lot about Trump and his day trading that he's been doing. And a lot of people are just fucking baffled, like literally baffled that this is happening. And it's gotten so crazy that he's literally doubling fucking companies overnight. Like imagine buying a stock, right? And that stock gets posted by Donald Trump. And within literally a couple weeks, you're talking a 2x of what you bought into. That's exactly what's happening. And the craziest part of all, he's telling you openly what he's doing. This all started probably 6 or 7 months ago when it really started getting crazy, where Donald Trump just started posting his trades. It would be pictures like this, where he would literally post him in front of a desk buying Intel at a low price, and then on the other monitor, it shows the price going even higher, and he would just post it on Truth Social. But the thing is, it would be mixed in with pretty much like dozens of other posts, so it would kind of go unnoticed. But people like us, me and you, that trade and see this every single day, we're like, what the fuck? That was very random, but it happened. And look, I can't even really put it into words. This is the Intel stock, okay? Yeah, he posted that shit at like, holy shit, I'm looking at it right now. He dead ass posted that shit when it was at $20. Bro, he called Intel at like 20 or 30. It's at 114 now. Like, it's just crazy, bro. Like, that's actually insane that he literally, the president of the United States, is posting a trade, and you can go and just sit there and say, yeah, well, Trump just posted it. I'm going to buy it too. And it'd be one thing if that was just a one-off type deal, but it didn't stop there. Even stuff like Palantir. He was going out of his way and saying, oh, I really love Palantir. PLNTR, which was literally the ticker symbol for the stock. And obviously too, Palantir is up $13, 10% today. It's at 156 and it's up like 12% in the last month. That's crazy. It doesn't stop there though. It goes all the way to stuff like Micron, where he would literally go out of his way and say stuff like Micron is great. And get this, dude, this is crazy. In the last 6 months, Micron is up 300%. So we're starting to see, like at this point, it seems like everything this motherfucker's touching, it literally just rips, right? And we're seeing stuff like crypto, the stuff that I trade, it's just in the shitter. It's literally just in the shitter. And it's even his own coin, World Liberty Financial, in the dumps. It just makes you wonder, like, just a side note, what the fuck are they thinking? You would think they'd be doing this shit in crypto, but they're just doing it in the stock market. But it gets even crazier. Probably the craziest of them all is Dell. A couple weeks ago, he said, go and buy a Dell. Straight up, just said that shit. And for normal people, they'd be like, oh, he really likes Dell computers. Weeks later, they signed a fucking literally massive deal with the government. And Dell literally doubled in a couple weeks. No, like, I mean, 100% doubled. Like, you could literally buy Dell a couple weeks ago, and you would have doubled your money by now. And literally a couple weeks. Like, bro, that is literally insane. Now, I'm trying to stay in the middle on this video, right? I know each side has their own opinions, but we get on Nancy Pelosi's ass for this shit too. But the way that she does it is very insider, right? Like, it's very insider trading. You don't know shit about what Nancy Pelosi's buying, but with Trump, he's straight up telling you, like outside, just saying, hey, buy a Dell. Micron's great. Oh, Palantir is a great company. It's telling you before it happens. So I decided I needed to do something about this. If you can't beat them, you gotta join them. And on my app Market Mirror, which you can get on the App Store, we have every single piece of data to track whales. Like, look, see exactly what the whales are doing in real time. Like billions of dollars bought. You can see all the money flowing, exactly what they're buying. So me and the team, we went out of our way and we made the Trump Trades Indicator. So this shows you exactly what Donald Trump is buying and selling and how much it's up since he's bought it. So a few of the sells he's got is Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, but a few of the buys are NVIDIA. Go figure, NVIDIA's on the plane with them. You got Broadcom, which, don't quote me on this, but there's one stock that he bought that is helping host or live stream the UFC conference. Again, don't quote me, but that's what I heard in a headline a couple days ago. I don't know what Broadcom is, but that could be it. You got Intel, of course. And as you can see, NVIDIA is down a little bit since May 12th, but Avgo is up. And there's been a whopping 3,000 purchases, like trades every day. I think it comes out to around like 5 trades an hour. If you've ever traded, I don't think you understand how crazy that is. Like to be moving that much money a year, 3,000 trades, that's actually insane. And it's estimated to be anywhere between 200 and 700 million to $1 billion. And I just gotta say, like, it's just insane. The main point I wanted to make about this video is strategies might need to change going forward, okay? We might need to be really focusing on what Donald Trump is saying because apparently he don't give a fuck. And like, he's literally doubling companies overnight. That's just so mind-blowing to me. But really, why is he not doing this to crypto? Why? I literally cannot wrap my mind around him doing this to stuff like Micron, but not doing it to stuff like Bitcoin or Ethereum or XRP. Because if you guys remember, He used to post that shit. Remember this post where he was like, oh, I'm choosing XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana for the crypto strategic reserve. That pumped absolutely everything. And we have not heard a single thing since then. Not a single thing. Really blows my mind. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Is this legal? Is this illegal? Do you agree? Do you disagree with this? Is this insider trading, outsider trading? I really want to know your opinion because this stuff is fascinating to me. Like, we've never had a president do the shit that's happening right now. You know, a part of me, really honestly, part of me is like, oh, well, fuck, at least it's public, right? At least you can literally go see this shit for yourself. And part of me is like, oh, well, Nancy Pelosi does these trades and everybody harps on her for it, which rightfully so. It seems like she's hid fucking everything. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a like, subscribe. If you want to follow what Trump is doing and have all of his plays, download Market Mirror. We got him here. And we also have the Strait of Hormuz indicator showing you exactly if they're negotiating or if it's opened or closed. Believe me, if you paid attention to crypto, you know damn well this shit is moving with that damn strait. So yeah, if you want to see all the plays, be on the IG. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next video.